Have you ever wondered how a rock is made? Well, first, let's break down the three different types of rocks. There's igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks come from volcanoes. So you can have rocks like basalts coming from Hawaii or rhyolites that are found in the western part of the United States. So essentially magma comes up through a chamber like a volcano, it erupts, and it hardens and cools, and you're left with an igneous rock. So how do we get to sedimentary rocks? Well, imagine that igneous rock is carried down a stream, and as it goes down the stream, it bumps against other rocks and other things going down the stream, and it breaks apart into sediment. Then it undergoes a process called compaction and sedimentation, and it rehardens into a sedimentary rock. Then that sedimentary rock can weather and erode down to more sediments, along with igneous rocks eroding into more sediments. Once again, compaction and sedimentation can lead to more sedimentary rocks. But how do you get to a metamorphic rock? Well, you can apply heat and pressure to sedimentary rocks or to igneous rocks, and that heat and pressure added will create a metamorphic rock. But guess what? The metamorphic rock can also be broken down through weathering and erosion to sediments. This process is known as the rock cycle. And metamorphic rocks can also melt down into magma. So all this process is known as the rock cycle, and it's called a cycle because the process repeats. And so all of these rocks can be broken down into sediments, and they can all be melted back down into magma to form more igneous rocks, and the whole cycle starts back over again. If you're interested in learning more about geology, give me a follow.